Next topic is fertilization, means how the fertilization occurs, means how the union of sperms and ovum take place. Now the formation of zygote. Zygote is the form in the uterus of the female by the union of sperms and ovum and is called as fertilization. That is, the formation of zygote by the union of sperms and ovum is called as fertilization. Now fertilization is the internal in human, means it takes place inside the body of human beings. How it takes place? The first process, that is semen, is ejaculated in the vagina during copulation. Vagina, you have seen that vagina, this is the part of vagina, and during the copulation the sperms are ejaculated in this place of female reproductive system, and the process of transfer of ejaculation of sperms from the penis of the male into the vagina is known as copulation. Now the lot of sperms are being ejaculated. They are in millions of sperm. They are few million of sperms which is being ejaculated with the help of penis in the vagina of female, that is semen, means there is a secretion also. Now this few million will start their journey from vagina to the uterus and then towards the towards the oviduct, because the ovum is here at this U-tube. From 1 month it will be here and from next month it will be here, because alternate. Suppose it is here, then these few million will start their journey, but the only one out of this few million will reach towards the oviduct, and only one sperm will inject into the ovum which is present or waiting here. Understood? Not all will be injecting, the other will be degrading during their traveling, because all the sperms are not active. Out of these few million, only 1 or 2 sperms are active which can reach up to the oviduct, and then they will fuse with that ovum. Understood? So this is known as fertilization. Now from the age of puberty up to the menopause, from the age of puberty up to the menopause, that is in case of female, that is 10 to 17 years of age and up to the 40 to 45 years, and ovum is released every month from the ovary. That is out of 2 to 4 million, because we have studied that 2 to 4 million of ovas approximately were present at the time of the birth of the female fetus, but approximately 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause, and other remaining ovum oocytes undergo degradation.